Hello, welcome to this video showing you how to print recharge card without the use of software. So that is to say, you can use any mobile phone or any computer gadget to print recharge card. So we launched this new portal so as to eliminate the stress of learning how to use our recharge card printing software. So what you need to do is just for you to pay us to get registered as a user of this PIN portal. So the website name is www.printrechargecardonline.com. So when we give you your login detail after you have registered with us, paying the registration fee, you will now log into the website. So the website is exactly this is the format. So your mobile number will be used as your default login detail. Then a unique password will be sent to you via text message. So I will log in with my own detail. Then I will now show you how to navigate through the website. So this is the default page. So the first thing for you to do is to go and reset your password. That is to change that password we have given to you, so as to have your unique passphrase for your own privacy. So that is how to change your first given password. So if I click on it, you will see the box for me to enter my old password, which is the one we've given to you. Then it says enter a new password. So whatever new password you want to start using, you will now enter it and click on change password. So that's just a simple way to change your password. So note, whatever password you are to use you want to change to, that will be your unique passphrase you'll be using to unlock your recharge card anytime you download it, because the recharge card will be passworded for security reasons. So whatever password you are using to log in, that will be your present passphrase you will need to unlock your recharge card. So after you've changed your password, the next thing for you to do is to come here and click on personal information. This personal information, this is where you can have the opportunity to enter your company detail. That is your company name. See it here, company name. This box is provided for it. So this company name, whatever name you want for customers to see on your recharge card, that will be what you will be entering here. So when you enter it the first time, it will continue to remain that way till any day you feel like changing it. So like now, you can see I've entered the FFA Dynamic Concept. So when I'm satisfied with this name, I will now come here and click on edit detail and save it. So whatever recharge card that prints from this account will always come out with FFA Dynamic Concept, just like you see people's recharge card having names. So the same way you can have your own name on your recharge card. So that is for your company name input. So the next thing now is for you to now start buying your recharge card from us. So this is where you click new order to place order for your recharge card, that recharge card you want to print. So when you click on it, you see the form will be displayed to you. You can say well arranged, price unit, the prices we sell them, the quantity. This is the box you enter the quantity you want to buy. So you can say the price just like we advertise on our website, Airtel, Glow price, MTN, all of it, all the denominations we sell. So let's say I want to buy Airtel 100 denomination, 100 pins. So you can say quantity 100, you can say the price corresponding to it. If I say I want to buy 200 denomination, maybe 50 pins, you can say the price corresponding to it. If I say I want to buy 500, 10 pins. So the same way you pick out all the network you want, select them one after the other. When you finish entering it, the total amount will be displayed here. You see it, total value of the stock. So this figure now, either you copy it or you write it out, then you come up and it says amount paid. So you will now paste it here, the amount you want to pay for the order, which is the total value of the stock. Then date, when you click on this box, it will bring out the date for you. So you click OK. By default, you just click OK. The current date will appear here. There it says reference ID, that is payment transaction. You put your company name for us to identify you. You see it now. There it says payment narration. So now this payment narration now depends on how you pay us, the depositor's name. So if you're using POS, try and get the POS company detail. So that is what you will now put as your depositor's name. Then if you use transfer, put your company name as your company ID. So if you are using a personal account to transfer money, put that your personal account name here. So that is the use of this place. So let's say I pay with FFH again, I will now put FFH at this spot. Then this place, it says kindly attach your evidence of payment here. So this is where you upload either your SMS debit alert or your email debit alert, any alert you have, so as to enable us confirm your payment very fast. So when you enter that part, that is just the last thing. You scroll down and click on place order. So when you click on place order, you will get this kind of response showing you a successful order. Look at it, order created successfully. You can track your order from unconfirmed or confirmed sub menu. So let's explain this part. It's talking about this bottom part: confirmed order, partially processed order, and unconfirmed order. So now this unconfirmed order, it simply shows you the order you've placed. Like this order we just placed. Now if I click on unconfirmed order, it will show to me this order. You see it here, the order I just placed now for this test run purpose. Then to say view order, payment proof, everything you've uploaded, you can see it here. Look at it, view order. Now if I click on it now, you will see the order the way I've selected it, so you can preview it again, see all the network outlined information. So now when you have placed order for your PIN, FFA Dynamic Concept will now credit your account. So when we credit you after confirming your payment, it will shift from unconfirmed order. It will now appear here as confirmed order. So this your confirmed order is where you'll be able to access your PIN and download it and print and sell. So let me show you an account here having it. Look at it. This is confirmed order. Under this confirmed order, you can see here products. So this, the product you have paid us, you see view under it. So that view is what you will click. When you click on view, going by the date, the present date of that file, that is what you will now click. So let's say I want to view this file now, which is the, let's say that is the present file I've paid for. So when you click on it, it will now show you the view information. That is for you to download that file. So that file is what you will now download. When you download it, it will appear in your download. So you have two options of 40 per page or 20 per page, which you can see here. So when you click on it, any of your file you downloaded, it will come up like this for you to enter your password. So this is just how to go about downloading your file. So you can see that it's not difficult. I want to quickly log into this account so as to show to you how to download. Look at it, confirm order. So when you click on it, it will now show you all your confirmed order. You can see it on the screen now. So it now depends on the very stock you have paid for. So if you pay for all the 4 networks, when you want to download it, to display for you to see all 4 networks. So if you pay for only 3, it will show you all 3 networks. So that is just how it's shown to you by the platform. So that is to say, if you pay for more than one round of payments, all of your previous order will be among the pins you will be seeing on your dashboard. So you have to download only the present one. I repeat, only the present one with a date there, so that you don't go and download your old file. So that is just how to navigate through your file. So let me use this very one because it contains all the networks. You can see I click on view. View is under product. I selected, look at the under product, there is a view there. If you want to see your payment, that's where you see it. So now this is the order. Now you can see download page. If I click on it under 20 per page, you can see that because this file has all the 4 networks, that's why I selected it. You can see MTN order, Airtel, Glo, 9 Mobile. So it all depends on what I want to download. So I advise you select it going by this denomination. You can say MTN. I can download all my MTN here. I come back and download all my Airtel. I come here, I click all my Glo and all my 9 Mobile. This is under 20 per page. If I want that of 40 per page, I will come here and select it 40 per page. So I cannot download it. So it depends on how you want it. But if you know that you prefer 40 per page, which will make your cost of production to be like 5 to 10 kobo, then you can now select 40 per page. So when you click on, let's say, the download process, now look at it. If I click on I want to download MTN now, watch, it will now start downloading the file for me. So this is a live download going on now. So the same way you can see it on this screen, the same way when you use your phone, the same kind of results you will get. So when you finish downloading if I look at it now very fast, this is my MTN file being downloaded now. So whatever company name you have, that will be the default name. So if you just click on here now, you should be able to see my download file. Look at it now, which is this very one. So when I click on it, it will ask me for a passphrase. Look at it, it's asking for a passphrase. Then you now enter your unique password. That unique password, which is your login detail. So that is how to download your file from your pin portal. So remember, this partially processed order is simply used to see any order we are yet to send to you. Let's say you pay for 10 denominations, and out of the 10 we were able to send to you 9 instantly. Maybe one network denomination was not available, as at that time we were sending you your pin. Then that partially processed order will show under this box, which will show to you that we are aware we are owing you one network or one denomination. So that is what you will see here. So as soon as we now credit you, maybe when we now stock up our admin, we credit you, it will move from partially processed order into confirmed order. So you will now go back and check again. Once you see that new order, that remaining order, to now enter your confirmed order, what you need to do is to go back there and download it, and that is how to get your remaining 1 or 2 network in case you notice 1 or 2 was not there from this list of stock you paid for. So that is how to just simply use this pin portal to do your recharge card printing business. Very easy and straightforward, very fast as well. So I'll show to you again one more round. Remember, when you log in, this is your dashboard. Under your dashboard, you'll be able to see the total amount of order you bought from us. You'll be able to see your history. That is the use of this box. Then the first thing for you to do, if you've entered your company name, remember you don't need to change it. That name will continue to be there, except the day you feel like changing your company name. That is where you remember this company information, which is where you can get access to your company name to enter it here. You see it? So remember, after you've entered your company name and you've clicked on edit to save it, the next is supposed to be new order. That is, you want to place order for your recharge card. You click on this new order. Under this new order, it will bring out the form for you to fill, so as to select the network pins you want. So when you do that, you can see price, unit, quantity. So you can see the prices to sell it, each denomination and each price attached to it. You can see that of 100 naira, 200, 500, 1000. The same way you see for all denominations. This place says enter quantity here. This is where you enter the quantity. If you want to buy 100, you want to buy 1000, you want to buy 10,000, any quantity you want, you see the price will show to you at the extreme part of it. So let's say I want to buy this one 50 units, 50 quantity, maybe the 200 I want to buy 50 as well. Then maybe I come to 100, I want to buy 50. I come to MTL 200, I want to buy 50. So when you enter anything you like, any denomination, the quantity, it will show you the total amount of that order. You highlight it here. You see it, you copy it or you write it out, and you come here. So that your total order and the amount paid must be the same price. If you try to change the figure, the system will not allow it. So that is the amount you will not pay. Then the date, just click on this box to bring out the date part for it. You click on OK. So when you click on OK, it will now automatically take that date, that present date of the order. Then payments transaction / reference ID. This is where you put your company name. Anything that is your company name, you type it here for us to identify you. Then payment narration / payment ID. So this is where you now put your depositor's name. So if you pay us with POS, put the POS account name here. If you pay with your own account number, put your account name here so that we can confirm your payment. So if I use my business name here, then this place says drag and drop a file here. So that is kindly attach your evidence of payment. This is where you put your debit alert, be it SMS or email debit alert, for us to see evidence of payment, so as to make us confirm your payment very fast. So when you do that, just come here and click on place order. So that order you've selected will now be placed for us to see as admin and release the recharge card to you. You can see it, order created successfully. You can track your order from unconfirmed and confirmed sub menu, which is this button we're talking about. So when we've credited you, remember I said it will show you under this confirm order. It will show for you here at this spot. So this is where you click. So when you click on it, it will show you your confirmed order, which is exactly this sample I have here. You see, this account has generated different recharge cards for different customers, which we use at a point in time. So when you click on under products, you see view your products. So it will bring out this page we have here. So you can now see 20 per page to download your file, or 40 per page to download your file. So remember, I say you will download it one at a time, each network at a time. You just come here and be clicking if it's MTN, if it's Airtel, if it's Glo. So but note, this page will be determined by the network pins you've paid for. So if you pay for only one denomination, to show you only one denomination to download. If you pay for two networks, it will show you only two network to download. So all of the network and denomination will be inside one file. If you pay for MTN, different denomination, when you download the MTN, all of them will be splitted for you. So we will only arrange it in a way that you download based on the network, but each denomination is compressed inside one file. When you print, they will be separated for you. It's very easy to use this pin portal. So remember, I told you you can use a mobile phone, you can use a computer for it. So that's the beauty of using this our pin portal. It eliminates the stress of using software. So for those that don't know how to use software, or those that find it very difficult, you want to use your mobile phone, you are welcome to using this pin portal the same way your desktop computer. Is very fast and straightforward. So that is all about using this our new pin portal to enjoy this recharge card printing business. Thank you for your time. Our customer care service is open for more questions and for more guides. We also have this video to give to you so as to serve as a guide when you register to start this business with us. Thank you for your time and remain blessed. Have a nice day.